guys, welcome back to my channel. So, let me show y'all what happened. So, Saturday, 3 days ago, I got into a motorcycle crash. I didn't injure my legs, but otherwise I can walk perfectly fine, but I injured my legs. I just have a couple cuts and bruises around my body. I'm fine. I can still make videos. I can still walk, but sometimes it hurts. And right now my hand is pounding. I'll show you the motorcycle. The motorcycle doesn't look damaged, but I went flying off the bike, the motorcycle. I'll show y'all where I hit it. Made a mark. Scavenger hunt on it. It's right there. I don't know if y'all guys can see it, but it's right there. I don't know if y'all guys can see it. Right here. Right there. And I hurt my legs, so when I went flying off the bike, I tried getting up and I tried getting the bike off the lawn so it wouldn't catch on fire because it has a motor, it has an engine. So now it doesn't work because it has been working since Christmas. And I got that for Christmas. And I don't know if I told you that you realized the difference of the camera. I got a new iPhone 16 base model. It's been a good phone. I haven't dropped it since. Tomorrow is New Year's. I'll post a video of that because we have to get fireworks. Fireworks. Wait, I just completely forgot. Wait. Kenzie, do you know how it's New Year's tomorrow?
It's New Year's Eve tomorrow?
Yeah, but we haven't got fireworks yet.
Okay.
That's bad. This girl just doesn't even care about New Year's Eve. And New Year's Eve is tomorrow. We forgot to get fireworks. It's fine. Right? Look what my sister did to the playroom. She made her own little book thing. With a heated blanket and all that. Oh, by the way, I got an electric scooter. I love it. I can just... It's pretty fast. It can go 10 miles per hour. It has modes on it. The first one that I've been doing, since I haven't known how to switch modes, is beginner. And then the blue one is pro, which goes 6 miles. And the red is 10 miles. And that's for the master, and I'm a master. So I use the 10 miles. It's very fast. I crashed it many times. And let's just say I injured the wall. Is that both of my cats? Is that baby? It is? Hi, baby. What's your name? Oh, I just said it. You come sit on me? Here, I'll take my shoes off. She's like, no. This girl, I promise you, she would eat the whole entire thing. This whole entire basket. She would eat all of that. I'll keep y'all here so y'all guys can watch. I'll move the water for y'all if you want me to. I don't know how. She doesn't even chew. She just swallows it. Do you even chew? Is that my pepper? Is that my pepper? is the first time in a year that she has licked me. The first time in a year. Thank you. Hi, baby. She's getting jealous. Do you guys want to come stay in my room tomorrow? Today? Here, baby, you go to my room and I'll be there in a minute. You're not going outside, I promise you. Sorry, I'm tired. That boy. You're a boy. Your sister just ate that. You're getting cuties now. Ow! My wrist. That's what I'm telling y'all. Like, my wrist gets me, like, shocked because of how my hand hit the grass. I'm tired. Of course, I'm getting to eat now. Okay, just look at this. Look how fat she is. I'm not saying that I don't love you. I love you. And look how skinny this boy is. Where is he? Look how skinny this boy is. He's skinny. That girl fat. Like, bruh. I didn't say anything about you. I said that I loved you very much. Oh, by the way, guys, we got a new dishwasher. Works better. It opens. It didn't flood last night. Yay! That's good. And this is our old one. The world's ugliest dishwasher. But the world's nicest dishwasher. We're going to be getting a new stove and oven and a new fridge, which I'm gonna make 2 videos of that. Hi. Can I interview you? Thank you. I'm tired. Let's go to my room. I'm probably gonna make a fort, like yesterday, but that'll be later in the day. Where's my headphones? I see you. Ooh. It's not working. This ain't a real snow globe. But that's a real cat. You. Let's go. Look what my sister got for Christmas. She does not need a full-on makeup desk. She has a bathroom for a reason. Whose Christmas tree is that? I think it's mine. This is my hubby board. Let's write it. I'm bored. I'm ready for adventures. Let's crash. I don't want to crash. This boy. Why are you beeping? I don't get that fall flat on my face. give me a battery life. Party time, party time, party time, party time, party time. Party time, party time, party time, party time, party time, party time. Go in my room. My room. Go in my room. Yeah, my room. My room's more cooler and safer for cats. Not for Kenzie though. You go on my bed? Oh, you're already on my bed. Sorry, it's a full-on mess. I tried putting lights up and I was gonna do a video, but it fell down the next day. Well, it fell the same day. I have to throw them away, but I can't. I don't know how. Like, I don't know how to get this because it goes around my bed, so I don't even know how to do it, so. Do you want to end the video? Do you? I don't. You? Well, I'll see y'all guys in the next video. Hope you had a nice time watching. Oh, by the way, look how big this drone is. That's a big drone. It has a camera in it. Wait, does it? No. Does it? No, it doesn't have a camera. Well, I'll see y'all guys in the next video. Oh, by the way, this is my helmet. Yeah, did I crash? Yeah. I wasn't, well, I think, well, I know why. It's because I wasn't wearing my gloves that I was supposed to wear. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.